Recently, a student producer of mine sent me a song requesting my feedback on it, and this is what he sent me.
There's got to be something more than the feeling you're giving me. 'Cause I'm feeling locked up in the energy you're giving me. I want to be something, yeah, something more. Just give it a little.
Vocals kind of fall out of time here. Let's zip forward to the drop. Nice. Some nice chill melodic house. Let's see what he said. So he has had quite a bit of concerns as to why his song, although finished, still lacks the professionalism and depth of other similar songs in the industry. And the real challenge here is that everything from the chords, bass, and melody all sound pretty good, but they just lack that spark that professional songs have. So here's what I'm going to do. Because this song is good, I don't have to fix anything, but I can go instrument by instrument and show you how I would approach adding depth and professionalism to each of the instruments. I'm going to give them each that 15% of energy they need to make this song the rooftop banger that it deserves to be. So let's go ahead and get into it. The number one biggest problem in this song are these vocals.
I want to be something, yeah, something more. Just give a little love to me.
These are stock vocals and the quality of them is just not there. He also only has a couple of phrases and tried to stretch it over the entire song. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drop these vocals into Suno, okay? Don't hate me. I'm going to say extend these vocals. No reverb, full vocal arrangement. Let's see what it does. All right, I've downloaded our vocals. Let's see if AI does the trick today.
There's got to be something more than
I like the quality more already.
the feeling you're giving me.
This already sounds like a good verse.
'Cause I'm feeling locked up in.
This falls out of time. I'm gonna nudge that back.
'Cause I'm feeling locked up in the energy
And what we could do is fill this in with cool atmospheric tricks.
you're giving me. There's got to be something.
And in typical AI fashion, it can't structure a vocal yet. And then the rest of the vocal is just an unstructured mess. But because we are insanely good music producers, all we need from this vocal is to get the energy right and we can build our own structure. So all this means is that we need a piece of the vocal that sounds like a verse, and we already have that. Then we need a pre-chorus, and then we need a part of it that sounds like a hook. If you can get those three pieces out of any unstructured vocal mess, you can usually come out with something good. This here,
Something more than
that sounds to me very hooky. It's just not timed right.
there's got to be something more than the feeling you're giving me.
I don't like this.
You're giving me.
Look, we could take this and probably end this hook. Listen, remember the reverb I told Suno not to bake into this vocal?
Giving me.
Actually sounds pretty cool right there. It baked reverb into the vocal, but if that's the worst case out of this vocal, I'll take it. But anyway, between the two hooks, here's the original.
I want to be something, yeah, something more. Just give a little love.
No time. I don't like the notes it's hitting.
There's got to be something more than
This one's pretty. This will work for now.
the feeling you're giving me. You're giving me.
And then we can go into the drop. Still not perfect, but significant improvement. Next thing I want to hit is this lead. This is like the shining star of this song because it runs through the entire song. Problem with it is that it's just a little bland. It's not that expressive. Expression refers to how soft or strong a sound plays. And with a sound like this, because it's so basic, it's very hard to control that. So what I'm going to do is build him a very similar sound, but with more control over the expression. So we're going to initialize our Serum 2 preset. Serum 2 is a very popular VST synth. I'm going to turn on our filter here, tighten it up, and close it. So now if we press play, we don't hear our sound. I'm going to take envelope 2, drag and drop over our cutoff knob, and create a filter-controlled sound. I'm going to come down here, remove the sustain so that we get a pluck sound. And we get that famous electro pluck. We can dress this one up with some echo. We'll give them a little bit of reverb. And because this sound is filter controlled, listen to how much expression we get. Just by opening and closing the cutoff knob. Now we can automate this cutoff knob over the course of the arrangement to keep that lead alive and always moving. Hear it? In professional songs, the synth work is always moving and changing in expression. Another thing I want to do to add depth to this lead melody is layer it with a vocal chop melody that sounds like the melody. So something that sounds like la 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 la. I'm just going to find little notes right here. Give me that. I need something that goes something like that. Let's get a couple other chops. Take that one. And then I'm just going to chop these up even more, make rhythms and patterns, and see if I can come up with something I like. Okay, I think I got something. This was really hard. Isn't that cool? It kind of rhymes with the main lead.
Giving me, you're giving me.
Alright, let's look at his bass. Problem with this bass is that I can hear some hidden mud somewhere. Let's investigate. I'm going to take this EQ and cut it off so we could just focus on the sub bass notes. We have some presence down there at 26 Hertz. And that's the highest bass note, which means the other notes go lower than that. The best bass notes to use will sit between 40 and 80 Hertz. It looks like his sub bass oscillator is 1 octave below the other sounds. So I'm going to turn that off. So now our lowest note is 57, and then it goes down to 40, and it looks like we'll be contained in that 40 to 80 hertz range. Next issue I hear is in these chords. They're nice, but it's one of those weird situations where challenge with these chords is that they are good. Like the sound is good and the chords are good, but I feel like they're just static, like they're not alive like that lead is. So I'm going to try a subjective change here. I'll keep what he has. I want to give him another instrument, and that is going to be a piano. I feel like a piano with reverb will add a little bit more depth than just a static Supersaw synth pad. This is a free piano called Soft Piano from Labs. We're just going to take his chords exactly as they are, drop them down. Ooh, sounds nice. You can squeeze some reverb, it'll just change everything. What's it sound like with our other stuff?
There's got to be something more than the feeling you're.
How pretty. We do not need that passing chord. When you're doing quick passing chords, only pass like the upper note or two. Something like that. That's how you make a quick passing chord without it sounding too harsh. Alright, I'm going to take his synth pads, which sound like this. Tighten up the filter. Loosen the detune. I'm going to add a bunch of reverb to it. I have 2 reverb plugins down here. So now when these come together with the piano, listen to the airy texture they add to the piano. Isn't that pretty? That's what it's all about. Ooh. Gorgeous. He also had this gem of an atmospheric sound. And you can leave it like that, but because I'm here, I'm going to mess it up. Check this out. We can use our atmospheric sound here as a nice little counter melody.
There's got to be something more than the feeling you're.
Like, doesn't that just like make you want to cry? And now, here's what's cool about making music. We can take this, put it on a new track, and do that thing that John Summit does. And we'll use this one in the drop. Okay, so off camera, I made a little arrangement for you. I'm going to play it back.
There's got to be something more than
Look at this automation on the main melody.
the feeling you're giving me.
It's to keep it moving at all times.
'Cause I'm feeling locked up in
Yeah. Sounds good.
the energy
Build up
you're
coming.
giving me.
Hook.
There's got to be something more than
That's pretty.
the feeling you're giving me.
Drop. Yeah. People would listen to this. Very pretty. Every rooftop bar in the world would play this. It fits the vibe perfectly. This is a great song. What did you think of the edits I made on Assassin?
They're so disgusting, man. Are you kidding me? Okay, so I first thought that you did all that vocal stuff in Ableton, and I'm like, oh my God, like there's no way. But once you said you did it from Suno, I was like, all right, that makes a little more sense. But the depth in the bass sounds, I definitely want to like learn that.
So I'm going to send this project back to him so he can do what he wants with it. If you would like to join my ambitious community of music producers, I have a link for that resource at the top of the description below. Check out what I offer for coaching and courses as well. And I will see you in the next video lesson.